Official name: United States of America. Capital: Washington, D.C. Population: approximately 330 million. Area: 3.8 million square miles. Languages: English and Spanish are commonly spoken. The U.S. has no official language. There are 50 states and one federal district. The famous 50-star American flag was designed by a high school student, Robert G. Heft, as a school project. World's longest border: the US and Canada share the world's longest international land border. Currency: US dollar. Alaska is the largest state.